Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify off-peak charging with SCE time of use rates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify off-peak charging with SCE time of use rates, begin by gathering your SCE account information. Log in to your SCE online account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts on the SCE website. Once logged in, navigate to the rates or billing section of your account. Here, you will find detailed information about your current rate schedule. Look for the time of use options available under your account settings. Review the specific hours designated as off-peak for your rate plan. Typically, off-peak hours are during the night and early morning, but this may vary based on your plan. Take note of these off-peak hours as they will guide your charging schedule. Next, to track energy consumption, install a smart meter if you haven't already. This device provides real-time data on your electricity usage and helps verify your off-peak charging. If your smart meter is already installed, access its data through the companion app or web portal. Monitor your energy usage during the off-peak hours you've identified. Make sure your electric vehicle is set to charge only during. You can adjust your vehicle charging settings in its app or directly on the vehicle dashboard. Consider setting up reminders or alerts to help you stick to these off-peak times. To further verify your usage, check your monthly bills against the off-peak charging periods. Look for the total energy consumed during these hours compared to peak hours. If you notice discrepancies or have questions, contact SCE customer service for assistance. Document your findings for future reference and to track your savings over time. Finally, review any changes to your rate plan or off-peak hours periodically, as these may change. Following these steps will help you successfully verify off-peak charging with SCE time of use rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.